we're out here on Hoover Reservoir getting ready to participate in the second tournament of the live streaming tournament series. Last time we came out, struck out, skunked, but hey, at least participation has given us 100 points. So we're out here again on Hoover, and this is the 3 biggest fish weights. So we're back out here on Hoover again, check our luck and see how we're going to do. We got other anglers that are fishing the series out on the lake with us. We're heading more into the middle area, going down south. We were in north last time. They're going north. So, if anything, we'll just have to see how things go, pan out for us. So hopefully stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some big fish tonight and keep everybody in tune with how we're doing during the tournament. Stay tuned. On? Alright, we got Fish on in Northernview.
I got out, which I kind of regret.
If he comes out, he did.
You need a net?
Yeah.
Probably the best time of my life being in the military.
We appreciate you. Thank you for serving. You know, as someone who never served,
Hear me?
Yeah.
I just
Riding
have
down
the
a tree.
utmost respect for you and anyone else who gave their freedom up, even if it wasn't for the rest of their life, but you gave your freedom up to serve.
I'll give him some slack, maybe he'll come off of it.
Really appreciate you, man.
Appreciate that. Thanks a lot.
All right, we appreciate you talking with us. We're gonna make the rounds, but we hope you get on the fish here soon.
Northernview's got one.
Danny and Richard are always catching fish when I get here.
They
I
give
went
you
down
the
there.
wrong way. I think they're sabotaging you. Not so much Rich. I don't believe Rich would do that to you, but I think Danny might.
I went down there and he said he got
Northernview's on the fish.
And then when I went back up here,
Are we muted?
Yeah, we were.
He said he got to get when I walked away, so I think it's me.
All right, Northernview's on, guys. Northernview. Dan's got his first fish on. Looks like hey,
About time. It ain't in the boat yet.
hey man.
Set this over there on your
At
your
least
floor.
it's hooked up, right?
Get the net wet. There you go. Got him.
Hey!
Nice one.
Dramatic music on stuff too.
Thank you. All right, quit rolling. You rolled.
And that.
Yeah.
What's that, Chris?
Alright. Watch your hand. There.
We're on our way down
Alright,
there.
give me the
It's a secret. We want
get that set up and show him that that's zeroed out.
Man, that's a relief, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah, definitely.
First fish in your live tournament career.
All right.
Alright, first turn it on.
And tear it out, right?
Yep.
All right, it's at 0.
Alright.
Come on, girl.
Get it off the seat. Wait till it tears out. Did it?
Not yet. It's just fluctuating. You have to hit the tear.
Nah, let me restart it then.
It's looking around 17 right now, but we're waiting to.
Tear it out. Is this thing on hold still?
If you guys hadn't checked it out, check out Northernview Outdoors. They did a con video. Pretty entertaining. They interviewed the Keith from fishing and stuff. And they showed us what they bought and everything.
Alright, there's hold on. Alright. Alright. Zeroed out.
Muskrat said, let's go, Ohio!
OH, baby.
Quit moving.
Thank you, Solo Texan, for dropping Matt Slink. Matt Slink is actually in the description, but I see you
Come
fishing
on,
for
hold.
YouTube. Thank you.
There. 17.54.
17.54, gotcha. Now just wait on grippers and
We already. Here, hold on. We zeroed out the grippers on it.
Oh, okay. So you tore them off?
Yeah, we tore them off.
So 17.54 is actual weight. Gotcha.
Yeah. If you can see it.
Got it. I see it.
All right.
You want a picture with it?
Yeah, I'll get a picture on that.
Hey, that's a good fish to start off with.
Come on, girl.
All right.
Yeah. Where's your phone?
Let's do it sideways. Here.
All right.
There it is.
All right.
And I'm going to release it.
There we go.
Wants to take him with him. All right, guys. Well, we are done with the second tournament of the online fishing with the one fish had caught at 17 and odd ounces on, and placed 11th. Not too shabby, didn't skunk. So we're climbing out of the basement. So we'll have to
tree up.
keep on trucking. Next one that we have is going to be in a couple weeks, so have to see what we're going to do, see how well we will do, and always keep out there and go fishing when you get the chance. Today, wind was terrible, so but yeah, we'll keep trucking at it, and next one's going to be a live bait fishing challenge. So we have to use live bait, so that's going to be fun and interesting. So thanks for staying around here, and why don't you stick around a little bit longer for a bonus fish. See you guys next time. It's going to be on the new one too. I mean, come on. There we go. That's a fish. That's a fish. Fish on, finally. First one at 24. Let's see if I can get it in the boat. Of course, Buckeye Lake, it ain't gonna be huge, but it hits a fish finally. Hey, how about that? I finally got a catfish. And he is whisker caught. That's a whisker fish. Oh my goodness, how about that? Well, skunk is out of the boat finally, thank goodness. You're the first one of the year, bud. Go get bigger. On chicken. I know Eddie's already gonna say he don't believe in that chicken, but it does catch fish.